let's go do the other. That cable's looking good. Let's go do the other cable. So if you're still with me, if you are, this is awesome. That's where that vice grip comes in. Oh, I forgot that rag. Hang on, we go get the rag. Okay. I'm going to wipe here real good. That's where the set bolts are going to be. Okay. Make sure the cable is properly seated. Make sure it's in a happy place. And make sure, there we go. Last house we had, quick story for you, last house we had didn't have a garage. Didn't have any of these issues. Yeah, that's okay, I love the garage. Replacing springs every, I don't know how often they go out. Every so often. Doesn't bother me too much. Now we got to bolt this up to the plate. Looks like everything's up here like we left it. This goes here like that. Looks like there we go. Yay! When don't you want to go home? That from a movie. Maybe you guys get a better look from over here. We got that. I like it when things fit. They go together. Now these springs are a little bit bigger. I think those are 39 when I took off, and these are 42. I don't know if it's going to make a difference, but no, that doesn't work. So gotta use the open end. Make sure you turn it the right way, right? I know you guys will make fun of me. God, this guy is mechanically challenged. Or right and left challenged. Probably. And this, then we'll be able to what do you do with this? Get a better bite on it. There we go. Oh, this one's being difficult. It's turning. loosening. I don't know why I get that all messed up. There we go. I think that's good. All right, let's do this one first. This is where stuff gets kind of complicated. I don't think we need 9/16 and 14 anymore. So we just need these. So let's, again, like I told you before, we need to be pulling down on these where the pressure's down. And you don't want to be standing firm. Now we got to do like 30 turns. I'm going to bring our rag with us. I think we leave our vice grips on, I think. So the cables stay where they need to be. Alright. Yep, that's all right, here we go. From tension, we go. Now we start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, hang on a second. Supposed to do something first. One of the guys did in the other. Maybe I can still do it. Something like that. Yeah. Okay. Out there we'll start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Woo-wee! We'll just do a 27 for now. Now I think we can take off those vice grips. There'll be tension on this, and right now it's going to push it. As I release this, okay, let's see what happens. The other one. See it. There we go. That one's got tension on it in the right direction. All right, we got to do the same thing on the other one. You still with me? Now we're in the fun part, right? Woo-wee! Bring the rag. Let me turn it this way. Louder this way so you guys can see. And I'm out of the way. Making sure you're still with me. Yeah. There you go. Maybe that'll help a little bit. We did 27. It looks good. It looks like it's straightened out. Again, let's wipe this area pretty good. What they did, I think we can release the vice grips now. We took the vice grips off. I know what I better do before I forget to grab my light. I'll forget. I'll be all excited and try to open up the garage.